YouTubers, woo! What's happening out there? It's your boy Top Boy Skip Archer back in the building with another one. Pretty much, man, I'm just killing the charts, man. I'm so excited. I studied hard for this, honestly, to be honest with you. You know, so I'm really excited that I reached this point. I've met a lot of people that trade. I've been around the best of them, for real. And, you know, they tell me to just keep on going. And that's what I did. I kept on going. And I just want to show you guys what I did. Today, I did take profit. A little less than what I should have took. But I took profit today. And also I had another crazy trade that I wanted to show you guys yesterday. That was kind of crazy. It was dope. Alright, so yeah, let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so here we go. We got gold right now. I was in UJ and gold. Alright, I'm gonna show you gold first. Let me show you what happened with gold. So with gold, you know what I'm saying? With gold, I had jumped in yesterday. I made some profits on gold. Or the day before. I think it was the day before I made profits on gold or whatever. Right? I think it was over here I made the profits or whatever, right? But then I had set it up again, right? What happened was I was outside, man. I was outside early in the morning, man, and I was just doing too much, you know, and I was setting up to get into this trade. I was for the sell. But I didn't put the numbers in my phone. By the time I came home and realized everything was going on, this candle was here. I missed this whole drop. 266 pips. I'm mad. That was like $1,000 day right there. That would have been my biggest trade day, for real. But I still had a big trade day today. It wasn't that bad. Let's see. I took USD JPY for a sell today. And this is what I did. Let me get the actual numbers. And I'll tell you what I did. But somewhere, as you can see in that green, that's what I did. 113, 112. So right around here in this area here, I got in the trade. Okay, I got in the trade, and it was kind of late or whatever, but I got in the trade, and I got in another position. 344. Alright, so right around this area here is my entry, my first entry, and then my second entry was right here. So right here is where I got out. 925. Got out right around here. See, I should have got out down here. Would have been better off. But I seen it turning around on me, and I ain't really want to deal with it. So let's see how many pips. So about 50, 60 pips I caught today. And I mean, not bad. You gotta understand too, guys. Like, I don't know. I don't want you guys to expect that I'm supposed to be doing this and doing that. Like, I'm literally a new trader to this. I don't have no mentor, no teacher, no nothing. I'm learning everything on my own. I'm doing the best that I can do, and I'm basically showing you guys that when you put down hard work yourself and you put in the work, nothing can stop you. And that's the only reason why I'm making this video because it's a lot of people that actually put me down. As I'm making this video, they don't believe in me. They don't believe that I can actually make money from my phone. Trading. They think it's a joke. They think it's a gimmick. But as I'm making these videos now, these are testimonials for later on when my whole life changed. Again. And then what? Everybody want to come rock with me now? Everybody want to come learn from me now? But I'm telling you right now, I got it. And I'm willing to give you the best offer that I can right now so you can learn and rock with me. But it's alright, I'll learn it. I'll learn it. Because them traders ain't going to teach you nothing. You got to be in their group. If you ain't signed up with them, I ain't with all of that funny shit, man. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. If you're not hungry, then you don't need to be watching my channel, because my channel is nothing but motivation. My channel is nothing but motivation. We're trying to excel. And we're trying to shut people down that try to put us down. We're trying to elevate. That's what we're doing over here at Bossed Up. That's what Bossed Up means. It takes patience to get an arm like that. It takes time to get an arm like that. It's a symbol. That's strength. It's a symbol of strength. Bossed Up. And I constantly show you guys this online. Constantly. Look at these trades. Come on, man. We going in a downtrend right now, y'all. I hope you know that, right? So I'm gonna catch me a nice little retest, and I'm dead ass. I'm gonna rock it all the way down here to my harmonic completion. I'm gonna get in the trade. I'm waiting for the big break. I'm waiting for the big break. I'm waiting for the big break. See, it's pushing. So I'm gonna look for a trade again tonight, and hopefully tomorrow I can record something and drop something again. Like this channel, man. Like this channel. Show me some love. Show me some love, man. I'm not no YouTube cat, but show me some love, man. I'm doing my best. I got the whole little setup right here. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm trying to be down. You know what I mean? I try to be down with, you know what I mean? Showing y'all what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I'm the boss, man. I'm the boss, man. Y'all gotta respect me, you heard? Cause I'm doing this alone. But those are the trades that I took. That's all I want to show y'all for right now, because I think I be showing too much. And I'm not getting no love. You feel me? So it's all good. That's what you get right now. Tomorrow, something different. Boss up! I'll continue to get bossed around. We bossed to live a good life. You already know.